I got you right here on the 4 hourly, and like I always show y'all, like I told you before, how we usually do this thing. We hit the low, boom, low. We come up, spike, hit the 50, right? You see the spike, close just above it with a nice spike up, boom. Now we got to come back down, hit the 20, right? So we coming down, hit the 20, basically where we're recovering this candle right here. So we could come basically anywhere between this wick, right? Because the wick basically they recovered that part of the candle anyways, but we could still come down here to the close of this candle, which would be the full candle basically. So I mean, we could come all the way back down here to around 34 cent, even, you know what I mean, maybe slightly below with a nice spike to hit the 20 EMA. And then what will happen next, we'll be on our way. The next target will be all the way up here to the 100 EMA with a spike above it, which basically will take us above here. We got to complete this one candle right here. We have to recover this because everything else we're going to be recovered. Like from here on out, we're going to recover all this in one go basically. So once we come down here, like I said, around 34, we come back up here. I'll say we should get a nice spike at least right here to this candlestick will be around 44 cent. And then we could get a nice little drop back down to the 50, depending on where the 50 would be. But I would assume that the 50 would be around this area, around 40 cent. Obviously, since we see a spike here, so that's where we go. Because it's like you got to look at their tracks. So they leave all the signs, you know what I'm saying, right there for you. So it should be coming down here. Cause you see this resistance, it should use this actually as support. So we should get a spike up to 44. You know what I mean? So let's start from the beginning. Boom, come down, recover this candle, low around 34, 34 and a half, right? Boom, spike up to 44. Boom, get a nice spike, get a retracement back down to here around 40 cent, right? And then we'll continue our way up. And our next target will be right here, where this last spike at, right here at the high, which will be around 55 cent. So that's what we're looking at for GALA. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.